Enter your account name and password to log into the drone defense system. After entering the interface of the system to view the positions of unauthorized drones and pilots, the system supports real-time positioning and tracking of drones and pilots. By clicking on the icon of the drone or pilot's position, a QR code for navigation will pop up, and scan the QR code to navigate to the position of the drone or pilot. Click on the information panel on the left to view the number of drones, drone models, frequency points, position, altitude, and other information. The drone is undetected by the system matches the identification code on the drone's body. Click the Events button to view information about events, duration, drone model, drone SN, frequency, etc. Click the Statistics button to view the drone event statistics report, including total incidents, most seen drone brands, incident trends, and other information. Click the Devices button to view basic information about the operational status of the controller, engine, and sensors. Click the Networking button to view network settings. Click Map to set defense zone and warning zone. Click Map button to view history map, offline map, and zone map. Click Zone Map to set defense zone and zone map. Click Delete button to delete the set defense zone. Zone Map supports displaying latitude, longitude grid. You can measure the position and distance of the selected points and devices on the map. The Zone Map supports the display of a latitude, longitude grid. Click the Advanced button to set unattended mode, black and white list, and other settings. Function menu area on the right side of the interface. To view and adjust tracks, songs, volume, notifications, and language. The defense system interface provides a quick view of drone spectrograms, event trends, and frequent drone